Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study about simple future tense. So, simple future tense is used to express an action or incident that is likely to happen in future. The work which is going to be done in future is called simple future tense, right? Now, for this positive or affirmative, you will use subject plus will or shall plus verb plus object. Now, here I have given the examples. I shall dance. With I, we are going to use shall. We will go to museum tomorrow. Right? In negative, we'll use will or shall not. Rest will be the same. Subject plus will or shall not plus verb plus object. Now, I shall not dance. We will not go to the museum tomorrow. Right? Then comes interrogative, that means question. Will or shall will be come in the beginning. Will or shall plus subject plus verb plus object. Now the examples are, shall I dance? Right? Then, will we go to the museum tomorrow? So for interrogative, you have to start with will or shall, and at the end question mark will be there. Now the uses of simple future tense, that where do we use simple future tense? First one, to express the probable action that will happen in the future. That means the work which will be done in the future, the probability of the work. Now the example, we will go on a holiday soon, right? That means it is a probability that we will go on a holiday. Then the second one, to indicate an action that will happen as a habitual action. That will happen as a habitual action. That means here the example is, the class will begin at 9 a.m. That means in routine the class begins at 9 a.m. The third one is to express the speaker's assumption about the future. I think I will complete the project by the evening. This is an assumption that I am going to complete the work by the evening. Now the words like tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, they can be used in future time. Now here some examples are there. I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. Tomorrow, right? It's for future. They will play the match next week. Maya will come here next year. So ending with tomorrow, next week, next year, next month. So these words are used for future, and obviously the rule shall or will plus verb. It's used in simple future tense. So thank you so much.